Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 4. This is your maths teacher Miss Dureshwar. How are you all boys? I hope you all are fine. Yesterday we have learned that seeing our parents and smiling give us good deeds. So I am practicing it. Who else is doing it? Please keep on doing it and keep increasing your good deeds. Now let's start our work. Today we will learn about addition and subtraction of decimals. On page number 96, boys, we have decimals and 4 operations. First we have to know about addition and subtraction of decimal up to 2 decimal places. When we add and subtract numbers with decimal, we work in correctly the same way as with the whole numbers, okay? We have to add them like we have done in our previous classes. But we must remember keeping the decimal point in the same column. It means the point should be in the same column. Okay, let's see it. Here you can see, here is the point, here is the point, here is the point. This is the addition, and we have written 10th decimal point, ones, tens, 100, and 7.685. Now it is 586.7. It is 195.8. Okay, and then we had added it, and after adding you can see the decimal point is under the same column. In this addition, it is also under the same column. Okay, so boys, what we have to do here, let me show you. In the subtraction, we also have to see that the decimal point should be under the same column. We cannot do this that one point is here and one is here. No, all the points should be in the same column. Okay, and then we can add or subtract like we are doing with the whole numbers. So let's open your notebook, write date and day, boys. Today is Tuesday, 22nd December 2020. Skip one finger space, write topic, decimal, revision, page number 96, 100 and 101. Today we are going to do. So boys, as you can see, I have written the date and day. Okay, the height of 0 and 2 should be same. Topic is decimal, revision, page number 96, 100 and 101. Addition and subtraction of decimal. What I have written, you have always to remember it. We cannot add or subtract unlike decimal. We need to make them like decimal. Now, most of you will ask, teacher, what is like decimal and what is unlike decimal? So let me show you. Like decimals, those decimal that have same number of decimal places, mean the digit after point. Okay. Unlike decimal, the decimal that have different number of decimal places. Let us do an activity. Here you can see these are unlike decimal. 1.6, 13.42, 15.126, 0.11, 2.6. You can see it has one digit, so one decimal place. It has two digits, so two decimal places. Three digit, three decimal places. Two digit, two decimal places. One digit, one decimal place. So what we have to do, we have to change them in like decimal first. Okay. So what I will do, I will see the maximum decimal places are 3. So I have to make it 3. Making it 3, I have to add 0. Because adding 0 on the left and right hand side of the decimal number will not change its value. Okay. It will be 13.420. 420. We cannot read it as 420 because it is after decimal point. Okay. Do you remember? We have to read separately after decimal point. Now boys, I am writing the unlike decimal 1.6 into the like decimal. I will write 1.60. Now it has 3 decimal places. So I have to make sure I should write every decimal point under decimal. Okay. Now it is 13.420. Here you can see. Next one is 15.126. Do I have to make it like? No, it already has 3 decimal places. 1, 2 and 6. Next one is 0.11. I will write point over here. The 0 will come under 5. 1 will come under 1. 1 will come under 2 and 0 will come under 6. Okay. Next is 2.6. I will write point under point. 2, 6, 0 and 0. Now you can see they all have 3 digits after the decimal place. So these are like decimals. Now boys, I had said ask you to add these, okay? So you have to add these by yourself because now they are like decimal. Add them and give me your answer.